Good morning, students. Welcome back to the social class. Students, in the previous class, we have started chapter number 4 of history, the birth of a civilization. In the previous class, we have discussed about the Indus Valley civilization, why we call it as Harappan civilization, how these sites are discovered, and where these sites are located. In today's class, we will continue with the topic extent of the Indus Valley civilization. The Indus Valley civilization extended from Balochistan and Sindh, which are presently in Pakistan, to Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, and parts of western Uttar Pradesh. Just like the other civilization of Egypt and Mesopotamia, which grew near the river banks, Indus Valley civilization was also flourished near the river banks, near the Indus River. Now, the total area covered of Indus Valley civilization was 13 lakh square kilometer. Many sites were discovered, and the two most important sites are Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, which are presently in Pakistan. Other sites are Lothal and Dholavira in Gujarat, Kalibangan in Rajasthan, Ropar in Punjab, Banawali and Rakhigadi in Haryana, Alamgirpur in Uttar Pradesh, and Kot Diji and Channhudaro in Sindh. These are the sites which are discovered in Indus Valley civilization. Now we will discuss about the emergence of towns, how towns emerge. Actually, Harappa was originally or earlier was a farming village, means where farming was done at a large scale. And Harappa was a fertile plain, and in the fertile plain farming was done very easily. The village flourished as food was available in plenty to support large settlements. Means the village was flourishing because food was available in plenty of amount to support settlements. Settlements means where people are reside, where people are settled. Now, they can do farming, and other than farming, they have adequate time to engage in creative activities and occupations such as poetry, brick making, weaving, and metal work. Now, let's talk about the river. River also acted as a means of transport to carry humans and goods from one place to another, which increased a change in trade, which increased the trade in civilization. Harappa became a trading center because trading was done at a large scale and the population increased. Harappa became a city by 2200 BCE. Now, let's discuss about the features of the Indus Valley civilization. Excavations prove that Harappan culture was an urban culture, means Harappan site was a urban city, and the people of Indus Valley were skilled engineers. Let's talk about the cities of the Indus Valley. The cities of the Indus Valley were well developed urban centers. They are well developed urban centers, and buildings are very strong and made up of buildings were very strong and they are made up of burnt brick and stone. Evidence of town buildings like granaries. Granaries are the place where grains are stored. Warehouses. Warehouses are the place where raw materials or manufactured goods are stored. Warehouses, granaries and brick walls suggest that Harappa deal with the architectural planning and efficiency. Now, let's talk about the town planning. Indus Valley people built cities with proper planning and with proper pattern. A city of Harappan culture could house about 40,000 people. In a city around 40,000 people can live. City was divided into two sections. One was citadel and the other one was lower town. The citadel was fortified and it was built on high platform. It was built on a raised platform or mount, and it protect people from floods. How? Because it was raised or built on a higher platform, so it protect the people from floods. It has important public buildings like granaries, great bath, town hall and temple-like structures. And the other section is lower town, which was built at the lower level and it contained houses where people live. So students, here we complete our today's topic. We will continue our next topic in our next class. Thank you.